We know that we get our nutrients from food generally. Plant get their nutrient from soil. Soil contain all the micronutrient and macronutrients required for plant growth. Plant also need water and use it in many ways. When a plant doesn't receive water, photosynthesis and other biochemical reactions stop. The plant begin to turn yellow, dried up and dies. So it means plant can survive without soil but cannot without water. The science of growing plant in nutrient rich water is hydroponics. The word hydroponics means working water. In hydroponics, the nutrients are available at the plant's root. As we know, the population is increasing with time. There will be very less agricultural land available to provide food for their growing population. In that case, if we have an idea of growing our own healthy crop food in our own place like our home garden or building galleries or roof, we will get nutritious food and healthy life. This is what my dream is all about. I want to establish such garden concept being plant scientist which will be of human welfare. In my dream hydroponic garden, I want to grow all kinds of nutritious plant, fruits, herbs, medicinal plant in very easy way so that each and every lover in my surrounding area can get inspired from it and can grow in his own hydroponic garden and get healthier fresh fruits and vegetables by their own gardening. As we know, hydroponic can be grown only in nutrient water. There is no need of soil. A plant with roots in soil has to work hard to extract its nutrition from the soil, and it uses a lot of energy to be able to do that work. Conversely, if a plant root are in nutrient-rich water, it extends less of its energy extracting those nutrients, so it can conserve its energy and grow bigger leaves, fruits and flower faster. One benefit of growing plant hydroponically is that the nutrients in the water can be completely controlled and the plant can receive exactly the right amount of nutrient when they need them for growth of flowering. Another benefit is that it works in areas where the soil is not arable and in areas where there is no soil. This method provides precise control over nutrients, leading to healthier, more productive plant and enabling urban farming in diverse environment. In conclusion, hydroponic garden offers numerous benefits that make it viable option for anyone interested in growing plant, from reduced water usage and increased crop yield to greater control over plant growth and the ability to grow year-round. Hydroponic present a complete case for switching of this innovation form of garden with the ongoing challenges posed by climate change. It's increasingly important to explore sustainable and efficient method of food production, and hydroponic gardening provide an exciting and promising solution. Whether you are an experienced gardener or new to the world of horticulture, hydroponic offer a fun, challenging, and rewarding way to cultivate plants, vegetables, fruits, etc., and enjoy fresh fruit product from your own home garden. By selling this, you can also start your small scale business providing community a healthy food supplement and be a part of a blue thumb with revolution in plant agriculture and being a part of blue revolution.